What's up, guys, and welcome to another GNCRC video. Today, guys, I have something that I bought because I had a bunch of extra parts. So we're gonna mod this thing and take it for a test run. So what do I have? The actual SCX24 base camp. I said I wasn't gonna buy any more SCX24s because I like to build them. I have a Mazz chassis that I'm building right now, so guys, stay tuned for that video as well. I'm gonna open it. I'm not gonna get into a lot of details on it because you guys have seen one, you've seen them all. I'm gonna open it and show it to you, and then we're gonna jump right into the parts. There you have it, the base camp. Why did I get this versus some of the other ones? I really like this body. And I'm sure you guys can't see on camera, but it has some type of iridescent paint in it. So it has colors in it where it has green hue and purplish pink type of hue. Pretty sure this camera's not picking it up too well. Looks really nice. And besides, it goes with all my other white RCs as well. Underneath, as you guys know, pretty much the same thing as you would find in all the rest of them, but we're gonna do some upgrades. Let's show you guys what we're looking at doing. But before we do, if you would, go ahead and hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button for me. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell. First upgrade, we're gonna do some weights. That's gonna be one of the first upgrades that we do. Depending on how the weight bias is, we're gonna go with these trio weights on the axles as well. I built these a while ago. These are the Mazz Design high clearance links. We're going to do the Proline trenches on this particular one, along with these Mazz Design wheels. For the servo, and the GNCRC RS100. For the power system, I'm not really sure which direction I'm going to go, but I do have two sets of these Lizard Pros and the Micro Komodos. And some kind of way I ended up two more. I don't know. I just got too much crap, so that's one of the main reasons why I'm building this truck. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to use those brushless systems because I do have one of the Endura brushed ESCs, and I use it on one of my other builds, and I really like it. For the receivers, I normally run a micro receiver, or I might just go with the traditional one for the Noble. I got a little twist I'm gonna do on this particular one, so it just depends on how the wiring comes out. So I'm not really sure if I want to go with these or not. These are the Mazz Design portals. I have another set of these just laying around with all the weights as well, but we're probably gonna end up going with this. I got another set of straight axles. I'm gonna have another set of stock straight axles when I pull these off as well. Kind of end up with too much stuff. That's my only problem when I'm building these trucks. We're gonna go ahead and get into this. Not really sure how I'm gonna configure it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it built and show you guys what I built. Alright guys, so this is the way it turned out. I think it came out pretty good. We went with the Endura tires. These tires have been pretty popular from what I can see. They did really well on the rocks. We went with the Mazz Design wheels. We also went with the Mazz Design links. These are the high clearance version. Underneath the hood, we went ahead and went with the Endura ESC. We went with the standard Fly Sky receiver. We did not do the servo because I could not get that servo to fit in here without hitting the rail. So it's still stock. Stayed with the stock shock. I do have aftermarket shocks, but I didn't change that out. And of course, we had to do the GNCRC logo. I even threw a little Mazz Design in the mix. On this build, we didn't want to go overboard on this particular one. Let me know what you guys think, how you think it came out. Stay tuned because we're going to go to the crawler course and see how this thing actually performs.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I've been like, you know, every couple weeks I'll be like, hey, yeah, let's go to Shop Sunday. And then you go to cut and show up. But it's awesome when there's a big group.
All right, guys, we are just getting back from the crawler course. Let me tell you what I thought about it. So I can tell you,
brush is not for me.
I'm so used to driving Fury Tech system. Even with the Enjoyer ESC, it's not gonna work. I'm so used to just giving that thing throttle and just holding it in the spot, and it just does its thing. So you'll notice when we're crawling, I was giving it throttle and I had to get off of it and get back on it. It's just not a smooth transition. I like my crawling experience to be really, really smooth. I wasn't getting smooth with this at all. So we are gonna change this out to a Fury Tech system. Other than that, guys, this truck sits really high. I don't know if I'm gonna change these back out. The portals, we might go back with the straight axles because it's pretty high. Now, the only thing about letting it down lower is I did notice while driving this thing, when you turn it all the way and the suspension goes down, those tires will rub, so I might have to go with a smaller tire. I typically don't do anything this large, which this is not a really large tire, but it's larger than what I like to use. Most of you guys know what tire is my favorite. For the guys that don't know, Patagonias are my favorite tires, but I think Patagonias would have been really, really small on this, so I wanted to go with something a little bit larger. But again, the stance, it really looks good, but it's sit a whole lot higher than what I want. We're gonna do some more things to this. Make sure you stay tuned. I got a couple more upgrades I'm gonna do to it. Nothing over the top. This is gonna be more of my scale truck. I'm gonna keep it pretty much like this. So when I want to do some crazy stuff, I got the Mazz build coming, so you guys stay tuned for that as well. A little sneak peek. Stay tuned because this video is coming up pretty soon on this one. All in all, I do like the truck. I do like the way it turned out. If you guys have any suggestions on what you would do if you own it, let me know. I know I said I wasn't going to buy any more SCH 24s, but I just couldn't handle it, guys. This is a really, really nice looking truck. And it's just something about these colors. They did a real good job with the stickers, and I just really like it. So let me thank you guys for watching the video. If you hadn't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. For the ones that have already subscribed, I really appreciate it, guys. Leave me a comment below, hit the like button, and make sure you got that notification bell on. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.